Hey, what's up guys, this is Shihab. How are you all doing? It's good to be back here, and today I'm gonna review the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 4. So let's start it with a little bit of history. I'm a former Mi Band user since Mi Band 2. Mi Band 1 launched in 2014 and it was just a simple band which can track your daily activities. Then in Mi Band 2 it had a little display which can show you the time and the steps you walk in. It can show the heart rate and all the tracking features. Then comes the Mi Band 3 which has a slightly larger display and slightly brighter display with slightly more features. And now the Mi Band 4 which has all the features the previous Mi Band offers you, but it's now better. It comes with some more features and now the display is a little bit brighter and it's colorful. So let's talk about it. Let's start with the price. The main attraction point of the Mi Band series Smart Band is its price. It's cheap and it's quite affordable for the third world country people. The Mi Band 4 comes in at $24 US, around 1500 Indian rupiah or around 2500 Bangladeshi taka. It has a 0.95 inch 120 by 240 AMOLED color display which is bright and vivid. The display is 40% brighter than the Mi Band 3 and the brightness is adjustable. It has 2.5D scratch resistant glass, Bluetooth 5.0, 6-axis sensor for fitness tracking, and it has 6 sports mode. It has PPG heart rate sensor which tracks your heart rate quite precisely. It has a water resistance up to 50 meters so you can swim with it. It has 135 mAh battery and they say it will give you 20 days of battery backup. So I'm doing the average use and it's giving me really good battery backup and I'm really satisfied with the battery backup. This Mi Band 4 comes with 5 colors. It has 77 watch faces and Xiaomi will add more later on. So let's explore the watch, shall we? The main display shows you the time and the steps. Next you will get the status where you will get the steps, distance, calories you burned, and you have your heart rate sensor. Then you have your workout tab which has outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise and pool swimming. Then you have weather notification where you will see the notifications or messages from the Facebook, Instagram and all the other apps, also including calls and SMSs. You can play pause music and go to the next track. With this Mi Smart Band 4, it has some good power efficiency features. Like you can disable the race to wake feature in some specific time, like when you don't wear your watch. So before 10 AM and after 11 PM, I don't need the race to wake feature because I'm not wearing them. So I just disabled race to wake feature on that specific time, which saves the battery. There are some more features in the mode tab where you'll find the DND or do not disturb mode. You have alarm, music control, stopwatch, timer, find device. The Chinese version comes with the NFC support which can do the payment for the Alipay, which is good for the Chinese people. After that you have band display and in the band you can store 4 displays. I also heard the Chinese version comes with a speaker for alarm. I'm not so sure about that. If you know the detail you can tell me in the comment section down below. Now the Honor Band 4 is the direct competitor of the Mi Band 4. But the Honor Band 4 is slightly expensive than the Mi Band 4 and has some slightly more features, but the simplistic and minimalistic design and not on your face style of the Mi Band 4 really attracts me. Now let's talk about the things I don't like about this Mi Band 4. Just like the previous one, I also don't like the charging cable of this Mi Band 4 because it feels fragile and not very convenient. Plus the length of the cable, my god, this is just I don't know. It's just dangling around wherever you put it. This is the only thing I don't like about this Mi Band 4, the charging cable. Aside that, I'll be a little bit more nitpicky about this watch. And Xiaomi, if you're listening, a simple software update could improve these features. Like no emojis. When someone sends you emojis on Facebook Messenger or wherever, the watch does not shows the emoji. It just shows like some random question marks. I get the point of previous smart bands not showing the emojis because they don't have any colored or high-res display, but I think it's possible to put emojis on Mi Band 4. And there is no simple reply feature like yes or no. So if someone asks me simple questions like the yes or no questions, I cannot reply from my watch. So there is no yes and no reply feature. So a software update or firmware update can add these features which will be very useful for the users. Now the conclusion time. Should you buy the Mi Smart Band 4 if you have the Mi Smart Band 3? In a practical user standpoint, I don't see any valid reason to upgrade from the Mi Band 3 to the Mi Band 4. If you have Mi Band 2, this is a good upgrade. But if you have cash laying around and you can't resist the temptation of a AMOLED color display in your favorite Mi Smart Fitness brand, definitely buy the Mi Band 4. And in my practical user review standpoint, I mostly use it for watching time, checking my notification at a glance, seeing some SMS or messenger messages. I mean, of course, when I first bought the Mi Smart Band 4, I checked the fitness tracker things a lot, but gradually I ended up silencing or ignoring calls, or watching who called me, watching the SMS, messenger messages, or Facebook notification. So that's it, guys. That was my review of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. And if you liked this video, definitely hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more content like this, definitely subscribe in my channel and hit the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you get a notification. Anyway, guys, stay tuned, stay awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.